everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to get rid of objects in Snapseed. Removing objects from a photo in Snapseed is quite easy with the healing tool, so here is how you can do it. Launch open your Snapseed application from your app drawer. Tap the plus button and open up the image you would like to remove an object from. Here I've chosen this image where you can see a little scar. For example, if I would like to remove that particular scar object from the photo, you will need to go and tap on the Tools option at the bottom and click on Healing. Zoom in the image and locate it where you want to remove the object, and then simply swipe and cover on the object like that. And as you can see on the screen that the scar mark has now been removed. So that way you will be able to replace the selected area with pixels from the surrounding area, and that way you can completely remove the object from an image. Once you are satisfied with the result, tap on the check mark at the bottom right, and that's how you can easily remove an object from an image in just a couple of minutes using Snapseed. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.